Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at a brand new AI system called ReddifyAI. And what it claims to do is pretty interesting. Because instead of telling you to run ads, build funnels, or spend months creating content, ReddifyAI focuses on one simple thing. Buyers are already on Reddit, and this is how you reach them. ReddifyAI is positioned as an AI-powered Reddit marketing and lead generation platform designed to help beginners, affiliates, and marketers turn Reddit into a consistent traffic source. The system is built around helping you connect with high-intent buyers already active on one of the largest websites in the world. And according to the page, ReddifyAI comes preloaded with everything you need to start immediately. One of the first things the page highlights is that ReddifyAI comes with proven high-ticket affiliate offers already built in. So instead of spending weeks trying to figure out what to promote, they claim they give you the offers. They give you the sales scripts. They give you the DM sequences. And they train you on everything so you can start promoting right away. The idea is simple. You capture the lead with Reddit. They provide the offer. And you keep the sale. Another major feature included is that ReddifyAI can automatically generate Reddit posts for you. No more staring at a blank screen. No more wasting hours trying to craft the perfect hook. The AI analyzes what's already working inside your niche and creates posts that sound natural, engaging human. So you get compelling content in seconds, not hours. Clones viral posts from your niche. This is one of the most powerful parts shown. ReddifyAI allows you to feed it 5 to 10 viral Reddit posts from your niche. Posts with thousands of upvotes, hundreds of comments. Then the AI reverse engineers what made those posts successful, including writing style, hook structure, emotional triggers. And it creates new posts for your product that follow the same proven patterns. So instead of guessing what might work, you're copying what already worked. Multiple AI agents, trained on different styles. The platform also includes the ability to create multiple AI agents, each trained on different voices and niches. For example, one agent can write like top SaaS founders. Another can sound like fitness influencers. Another can mirror crypto experts. So you're not using generic AI. You're using specialized writers inside one system, each speaking the exact language your audience responds to. So if you've been struggling to get traffic, if you've been tired of posting everywhere with no results, then ReddifyAI is something you should seriously look at. So don't wait too long. Click the link below, check out the full details while it's still live, and see if ReddifyAI can become your next traffic and income system starting today.